Hey friends, myself Free and this is my first YouTube video tutorial. Since this is my first YouTube tutorial, I would like to tell you something about myself. I am currently pursuing BTech from SRM University and I like to play FPS shooting games like Call of Duty, Counter-Strike. I like to listen to Linkin Park, Akon, Eminem, etc. and Linkin Park is my favorite. So in this my first video is about Python language and I will discuss some of its basic data types. For this purpose I am using Python version 3.3.3. So Python includes its basic data types like numbers, strings, lists, dictionaries, tuples and booleans. But in this video I will discuss about numbers. So let's start. So I've opened Python and you can see that I'm using Python version 3.3.3. These three forward arrows means that I am currently in the Python session. So let's start. And the numbers, so the numbers includes from 0 to 9 and we can carry out basic mathematical functions like addition, subtraction, multiplication. We can also carry out some trigonometric functions like sine, tan, cos, exponential, also factorials, gamma functions. And I will tell some basics like how to carry out the addition, subtraction and how to use an inbuilt function module name known as math. So 5 plus 6 11. You can see that I'm not using any variable to store the values on 5 and 6, but you can also use like a is equal to 5, b is equal to 6. In the Python, the variables are dynamically defined, means that you can define at the time of runtime and just like C and C++ and carry out the functions a minus b for subtraction, for multiplication, division, and for using raised to power I will use double star like 2 space double star 2 double star 5 syntax sorry 2 space double 5 space 5. The answer is 32 and you can also verify it by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. You can see the answer is 32 and this means that for Python language double star means raised to power. Double star means raised to power. So let's talk. If you want to some carry out basic trigonometric functions, you have to use a module name known as math, and you have to first import this in order to use. So the syntax for importing a module name is import is the keyword space the module name math. And if you don't know what are the basic library functions that are available in math module, just type help bracket start math bracket close. You can see that all the library functions that are available in math are C and the return type is also given. So let's discuss some of its library functions. I have to calculate the square root function. So first I have to use the module name dot operator and sqrt, the function name and the number 25. Square root of 25 is 5 and suppose I have to use power function. You can see the return type external x to the power of y, that means 2 to the power of 5. The first number is the number whose value is to be calculated and y is the number to how much value I have to calculate raised to power. Math dot power 2 comma 5. See the answer 32. I can also calculate factorials like using the function name factorial. see, and you can also verify it like 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. See, and one thing I will tell is the module name known as random. You can generate the random numbers from it. Import random, and for generating the random numbers from 0 to 1, I will use random is the module name and random is the function name that is available in it, and just empty arguments. Sorry, I have spelling mistake. So this library function random, it generates the random numbers between 0 to 1. Again I will type you can see. So this is all about numbers that are used as a data type in Python, and in this next video I will discuss about strings. So please like and share my video. Thank you.